Howdy YouTube, Joe Goki with Goki Inspections out here at Copart. Hey, we've got a Lambo today. This might be the cheapest in the country right now, guys. What do we got here? Looks like a LP610 4-wheel drive Hurican. Not terrible. The engine bay looks good. What do you guys think? Will not crank 790 miles. It's got all the keys. Airbag deployed. Both of them deployed here. Let's see what it does. No power. Unless let's try. Yeah, the knee bolster bag deployed as well. So, but heck, I don't know. This might be pretty cheap. Man, water's getting in the car somehow. We had a heavy rain last night, so something's letting water in over here. But yeah, that's not the best. And this thing, nothing when you lift this up. So the battery needs jumped, obviously. But it's an e-gear. Or, I don't know, not an e-gear, but it's a paddle shift. I don't know what they call I don't know if this is still an e-gear or not. I don't think so, because Ed Bullion would be the guy to ask. Yeah, I don't think so with this setup here. This is park, and then you got your paddles up here. So the windshield's really cracked up. Hood's crumbled into a piece. That's probably where the rain water got in. This Alcantara headliner looks just like my S8. I love it. It's perfect. The seats, pretty comfy. It just reminds me of an Audi interior. I don't know. These aren't my favorite Lamborghinis, but it's pretty cool to see one at Copart. I don't see them too often here in Phoenix. Usually, I mean, I see them at the dealership all the time, just never see them at this place. So you got your sport mode. I mean, everything's intact here, pretty much. Glove box still opens. The car has 3 keys, actually. You got your valet. It's got, these are Audi keys for sure with the Lamborghini logo stamped on. But anyways, alright, let's keep peeking. I don't know if I can get the front. Everything's motorized, so nope, I won't be able to open anything, I don't think. Unless there is unless there's an emergency pop on this, I don't know. But, let's see here. So, this video is from today. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. Well, here's the real problem here is the hood, and this fender here is literally, yeah, here's our problem. It needs a headlight, absolutely. It needs this front core support, probably, or at least a piece of it. Needs a fender, absolutely. The wheels are fine. This front bumper needs repaired or replaced. Hood needs to be replaced. And there's probably some stuff underneath this guy here that I'm sure isn't looking too good. Yeah, you can see right there. But yeah, here's how it looks down the side. Tow hooks still attached. Plastic shielding here. Underbody looks good. I don't see any damage to the undercarriage or the shields or anything, so that's always good. Oh, besides this front lip, a little bit of scrapage, but this car could potentially have 790 miles like it says here. Let me get the VIN here for you guys. Number. This is at Phoenix This is in Phoenix, at the Copart in Phoenix. But yeah, this is definitely repairable. Definitely gonna go pretty cheap, I bet. Well, you know what I mean by cheap. But yeah, the hood opens at an angle, so yeah, that's never good. This thing was smacked pretty hard right here, so yeah, this is the problem area. But let's see, so the wheel liner's still in here. There's where it broke off here, from the A-pillar. Yeah, I don't like the look of that. Definitely needs windshield. The passenger side door. Oh, I see. Look. Oh, this frame's bent. See the window? Frame's gonna have to be pulled a little bit. As this window, that's where the water was getting through. Fuel cap. Of course, did someone steal the fuel cap, or is this one of those ones? No, this is one of the ones that doesn't come with one, I believe. But, wow. Okay. All-wheel drive. I want these carbon ceramic brakes. Dang. I'll take them. Brand new tires. This thing does have to have 700 miles on it for sure. I'm seeing every reason that it does. Sorry, I had tooth surgery the other day, so yeah, looks like, yeah, we've got the V10 Lambo motor, so this is the Huracan. I've got this similar motor in my S8, and great engine. Wish I could fire it up. But, yeah, anyone looking for a cheap Huracan, there you go. White on red on black. The interior looks really good. It's got a CD player, SD card readers, etc. It's got the rear view mirror back here. Pretty much everything's here. It's missing a few pieces. You got to replace some airbags. You're gonna have to do some body work. But overall, not bad. This is built 9/2014. And yeah. Alright guys, well, sticky door handle too, it looks like there, probably because of the electronics not being on, but I'm not sure. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna continue to walk the yard, and I've got some other stuff to look at. So it's a whole bunch of bikes too here. If you guys are interested in motorcycles or anything, I can do those too, but I'm more of a car guy, so see what else we can find here.